So what we've got here, this wire here, that's going to the negative on the battery. This wire here is a positive on the battery. If I contact it to one side of the cap plus mount, you get the bulb fitting there. So I go to the other side. So you see, there you go there. There you go there. Go there. I take the two wires here, put one side to there, one side to there, and the capless bulb lights up. So with any luck, this arrangement of this piece fitting into the circuit board without the bulb, or maybe with the bulb, I don't know, comes along into these two here. This is where the diodes are connecting up. Here is an earth wire coming to the bulb.